We'll put it on the wood. Looks,
Why?
oh, something
What flew
fly
off?
Something flew off.
His leg.
Uh-oh.
One of his legs.
Oh shit. Good afternoon. It's 3 o'clock.
Yikes.
We've been up and fell back asleep. So technically we did start the day, but the day was kind of gloomy, so it kind of bring us back to the bed. But yeah, he's gonna change the bed sheet and I will test the lights here. He want to say something.
Welcome to Vlogtober.
Started with us coughing and feeling.
You can tell it's Vlogtober when we're feeling sick, because that's when the season is changing.
Yeah. So these are the room lights that we got from Marikari, but like this guy just basically used a plastic bag and then like wrapped around it, and that was it. And lights on. Ta-da!
Which one has a better pattern?
Actually, the color still look kind of like the gomu gomu.
You see that?
Yeah. Unwrap. I mean, opened the chopa and hankyotong, and then packed it so that it saves some space. Our lunch is congee from 2 nights before. It's been in the fridge, so I added an egg and some soy sauce. And this guy is trying to do push-ups after finishing with cleaning the bed. Keep your back straight, man. We are continuing on packing our stuff to reduce space. But the Ichiban Kuji is just so hard to... I don't know. How are we gonna make it smaller? I don't think we can. Pack, pack, pack.
Did you put chopper in?
Yeah, here.
No, this chopper.
Oh, yes, I did.
Mega Man.
Amazon sells a big roll of bubble wrap for 1,300 yen, so that's what we've been using. This is our 3rd roll already.
Help us.
We are wrapping the printer so we can sell it in book off. So,
1-3.
but this is more expensive. We are in book off. We're gonna sell our printer. So they are dealing with it, and we will just walk around for now.
I still like this guy's physic. You freaking what? They're getting the payment from the printer now, so we're just waiting. Should I get this?
So the printer come back with this.
Currently heading off to Aeon now. Dark as heck.
Bye. I split with them because I need to head to Celia to get some vacuum bags so that I can vacuum my stuff. Oh. Ended up they're coming with me anyways.
They have a
Oh, bungee cord. Did you guys see the bungee cord?
Buying four. Been a while since we went to Kochiso. Yeah.
How's that for protein, Chief?
Oh yeah. There's so much to add. And then we still need to put soup in. Ta-da! Kawaii! We're in Tsutaya. That's cute. Pickles, the frog.
I have the old one that also. No pictures.
Yeah, they don't let you, but like honestly nobody cared. I've seen so many people like taking pictures here.
Because I wanted to.
Somehow this is very famous right now. Chikawa. Like the oshikatsu pouch. Not everything is oshikatsu now.
Show me what you got. Oh, this is pretty cool.
Kawaii ne.
Oh, this one's pretty cool.
Wow.
Wow.
Ours is broken. This
Maybe
is
not.
good. Hey, ice cream!
Yes.
Nina.
Alright, let's go up.
Heading to Gacha Gacha. Oh my god. Yada na. Yada.
Come on. Anyone is good.
Honey.
Oh.
Bubu terus?
Get a boo-boo ghost. Which one do you want?
Anything.
Dog?
Look at how big it is.
Okay ne. Hey, dog ghost. Yeah, compared to what I have. Yeah.
Kawaii. Look at this guy.
That's one.
Look at this guy got like hope around the neck. It rained. Luckily our bikes are under the shade. It looks like it rained violently too.
Yeah.
It just passed by, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
Look at the sky. You can see.
no more now.
We're at the 7-Eleven and I got this Mont Blanc bar from Morinaga and Bulin got the blueberry smoothie. We're gonna try this out. Looks pretty good.
Look at what Clax did to our bikes. We're back in the chaos. The house is always messy now because we're trying to pack stuff into boxes so that we can send it to Canada. To make space in the house, you have to make it messy first. They're holding hands.
Packet wallets inside it so it conforms to the box.
Yeah, maybe. That would be better.
Should I reopen it and then re-vacuum it while it's inside? No, it's fine.
No, it's fine. So, over the absence of vlogging, Harry Potter Ichiban Koji happened, and this is the clock
This is the A prize.
that I ended up buying on Marikari.
Yeah.
At the same time, I also like this. That's the last show, and it's a acceptance letter with the blanket inside.
And the envelope itself is actually a plush.
Yeah. So the rest of the other ones is the ones that I pulled 8 times, I think. So there are quite a bit, like glass jars and
The plate. This is a best book.
yeah,
And then
towels,
some
coasters and
rubber
stuff.
coasters and whatnot. And some stickers.
Not stickers. It's notebooks.
And then of course there's
Notes and newsletter and
towels.
letters.
Oh, and this is a pouch.
Yeah. I also got this. This is actually from the opening of the USJ. I think this will become rare because like now anything with Daniel Radcliffe's face on it would be rare now, since the Harry Potter drama is coming.
Excuse me.
They might change all the packaging. This box is way bigger than the ones that we been using, and we keep thinking like, what else can we put in? Finally, it's full.
Shove everything in. Oh, did you wanna write that down?
Oh yes, I will. Okay, we're gonna spend a little time building the chamois, the cicadas, the Vika. Ugh,
The main body.
gross.
And then it has the wings.
Fuck.
And the other wing. Oh, there.
Oh, they like on purposely make it different color.
So you know which one's left, which one's right.
Okay,
Let's go build.
good job. That's the instruction.
Well, it just says over here.
Oh, okay.
Pretty simple, you know.
Put the legs in, and then like the wings. The right is the pink bag. The left is the transparent bag.
Gotcha.
So it should be okay.
Okay. Right for the pink and left for the transparent. Gotcha.
And the legs also.
Next to okay. Gotcha.
Okay, I'm gonna hyperlapse. Okay, my hyperlapse kind of failed, so I'm just gonna.
So far we did one side.
It's so gross.
Yeah, the thing is, I'm actually kind of afraid of cicadas as well too. But it would be nice to have like a model to actually know what's, you know, what it actually looks like. Because I'm kind of afraid of holding one. But they did say they're not dangerous.
They bite.
How
they
did they
bite.
bite? Look at that. Oh, The proboscis came off. She. You're drinking strawberry.
I think it depends on the semi though. Like, depends on which kind of semi. I don't know. Kimochiwarui.
I think it's really well done.
Ishoyaki.
And then the wings can open like this.
Ishoyaki when it flies.
Yeah, actually.
It's so annoying.
And then it goes. Oh!
Oh, it came off.
Yeah, yeah. You can spread out like that.
Yadana.
And there's a few articulations on the bum bum.
Can you show it? Don't just like put it.
Come in. And angle the wings.
I didn't know that they have such a long mouth.
I've never seen this kind of cicada with a long mouth actually.
Yeah, usually the one we see is the black one, not the green one.
Yeah. This is the much more prettier color one, I think.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Kimochiwarui. Put it on the wood. Oh, something
What flew
fly
off?
off. Something flew off.
His leg.
Uh-oh.
One of his legs.
Oh shit.
Wing.
Annoying as a toy. Annoying in real life.
I think I'm with the Pepe with the legs. Did I?
I don't know.
This one looks like it's supposed to be here instead.
Help! Bro. Kimochiwarui. Each time to shake good. Because it's almost 3 again.
256.
Actually, it's already 3. The never-ending packing. Seriously, we bought too much.
Man. Yeah.
But we're getting there. It's getting close. So we finally have some space and we can actually walk into the walk-in closet.
Yeah.
That was how bad it was. But anyways, we'll end the vlog here. Hope you enjoyed our little packing and the semi.
Yeah. The cicada was really cool.
Yeah. See you in the next one.
Take it easy, guys.
Welcome to Vlogtober.
October.